right? And because I struggle with that, my mom, didn't tell me. I had to figure it out. I'm like, I don't know. Well, bring it home, and you can't really. Some documents you gotta take care of it right then and right then and there. So ask a professional. If you are a young teen, this is your first job, or you're an entry level professional with no children, what should your exemptions be?
Your exemption should be 0. That way they are taking out enough taxes. That way you don't have to owe at tax time. I know they're going to take out, it seems like a gazillion dollars in taxes when you claim 0, but it is worth it in the end because you're going to get most of that money back at tax time. If you want to keep a little bit more in your paycheck, I would claim just one exemption, which is yourself. And then that means you're going to get less at tax time, which is fine because you made more throughout the year in your paycheck, actual paycheck. So that's what I would do.
So that said, y'all heard it. If you are a teen or you are a young adult, no children, you're caring for yourself, please don't go out here putting 5 on the paper. Please don't do that.
Yes. You will be sad at time because they are going to make you pay.
They're gonna make you pay. So another interesting question. How long do you keep tax records?
A lot of people don't like this answer, but 10 years. It used to be 7, but they upped it to 10, meaning they can go back 10 years on you and do an audit. Yes. So 10
I was
years.
told 3.
It's 3 years for you to file your tax returns to get a refund. But to keep the records, 10.
Wow, 10.
10 years.
Goodness gracious.
They changed it to 10. Don't quote me on it. I'm not looking at the IRS website. Maybe 5 years ago. It used to just be 7. But in order say you hadn't filed, I have people calling me who haven't filed in 3 years, or no, 5 years. Well, so for 3 of those years, so for the current year, which is for 2023, this is what we're filing for tax season 2022 and then tax season 2021, you can still get your refund if you're due a refund for those 3 years. The other years are a wash. You can't get a refund from that. But technically, there is a little loophole. If you have 2020 and you haven't filed 2020, if you get that in before the end of tax season this year, they would still give it to you. A lot of people don't know that. They would
Mhm.
still give it to you because um it's still the kind of the current tax season. So as long as it's post dated, if you mail it in, you're not going to be able to e-file it. You won't be able to e-file it. You can mail it in though, and it has to be post dated, postmarked, I should say, and they'll still give you that refund.